Good afternoon, everyone. It's Tim here. I am going to show you how to clean out your diffuser. We use ours a lot, and if you're anything like us, you like having all the different essential oils going. Makes the house smell better, and some of them can help with various ailments that you have, like thieves and tea tree and digites and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to clean these out, because after a while, like I said, these can start to scale. Yeah, you can see down here. It's a little scaly, got some junk just caked on in there, and this is really easy to clean. In fact, it's so easy I should do it more often. All you need is some distilled white vinegar and a paper towel. All you're gonna do is put a little bit of vinegar in there, or you can just put it on the paper towel and wipe around there, and it should get nice and clean. So I'm just gonna take my towel here, fold it over a couple times, and I'm gonna dump this over, get it wet. Try it one more time so I can feel it on my hand. There we go. Got it in there, so I'm just gonna start wiping on the inside. Use both hands real quick. Just one quick wipe, and that's what it has done so far. So I'm gonna go through there and just go all the way around, and hopefully we can get this thing nice and clean again. This out. Super nice and clean. Here's my paper towel, all the junk that came off of it, all that residue of scale from the oil and the water and all that nonsense. So yeah, pretty gross. But yeah, that's how you clean it out. Simply need some white distilled vinegar and paper towel. You're good to go. You guys have a good one.